Hello, this is a video tour of 1461 Broadway. It's located in a fabulous location. You're right around the corner from the heart of Polk Street. Many fantastic restaurants, shops, conveniences. You're also directly next door to Helen Wells Park, where you'll find lovely tennis courts to enjoy. Okay, this unit comes with one car parking. It is located to the left here, and you have internal access into the building. Call box to the right. You walk through secured gates. There's your doorbell, mailboxes to the right, and there's a nice long lobby. There's several ways to access the upper levels. You can use the elevator to the left. You also have stairs if you choose to utilize the stairs. We're going to take you through the elevators up to the third floor. There is shared laundry, coin-operated machines on this level as well, which is shared with the building. Okay, here we are on the third floor. Taking a peek out this window here is a shared central courtyard. Laundry is straight down the hall to the left, and the unit we're going to be touring, Unit 305, is right over here. It's been completely renovated. Lots of natural light. It is a very quiet space. To the right is your coat closet. You have double shelving up on top. The left is a beautifully renovated kitchen with stone counters. You have your microwave, nice modern design. There's a range, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Plenty of space here if you would like to put a kitchen island or a nice breakfast table. Okay, right across the way here is the first bedroom. This one is located towards the central part of the building, so it is extremely quiet. Nice big closet here. You have nice full bath. It's been recently remodeled. Just outside is the linen closet with multiple shelves and a very large living room. And many people have used this as a living room, dining room combination due to its size. And here's looking towards the back dining area. Here's the view from this front room here. As you can see, all the conveniences, shops, restaurants, coffee houses, bakeries, boba shops, and so much more. Okay, so here is the second bedroom. This one is just a tad larger. You have a nice bay window, sliding mirror doors for the closet, and there are alcoves on each side. Let's take a peek. So this goes all the way back. Lots of storage space here for clothing and more. Okay, attached to this bedroom is the second full bathroom and another closet here. This has a tub and shower combination with glass enclosure. Nice modern design. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great